Welcome back to all my regular subscribers and of course all the new ones. If you haven't already, drop a like on the video, hit subscribe button so I can keep you updated with all the best news and moves in the futures market. In this video right here, we are going to be going over TopstepX. Now, I did do a video a few weeks ago as I started trialing out TopstepX, seeing what I thought of the platform, and I actually got a few accounts passed for me to use while I was on vacation in Spain because I wanted something I could use on a web-based server, which Ninja doesn't offer. So that was perfect for me. I got to play around while I was on holiday and I really, really like it. Now, I did say there were some flaws with TopstepX, something which they need to look at, and there are a few things which they have now updated, which I'm going to go over in this chart. So keep it locked right here. And as always, let's get over into the charts. So as you can see, here is the TopstepX platform then. It's web-based. I really like it. I've gone over everything that I like already in a previous video. And as you can see, this account is up nicely, just under $3,900 right now. I didn't trade it today because I am actually waiting to take a payout. I'm just waiting for an email back from my accountant so I can fill in all the relevant details. So how have I traded this and how do I trade it differently? Well, I've traded this for 5 days. And it's up very, very nicely. Now, let's go to performance stats, something I like. You can get to them really easy. Go to daily balance, and you can see my 5 days grinding up here. And on day 5, hit this total of $3,879. Now, with this, my daily P&Ls, you can see they are ranging quite massively. And that's because I like to leave a runner on. So this day I hit a runner, this day I didn't, this day I didn't, and this day, again, the 5th day, I hit a runner. What do I mean by that? Let's say I'm trading with 2 mini contracts, okay? I don't need to worry about the drawdown, okay? Not worried about unrealized gains like I am with Apex, which means I can trade it very differently. So if we think about a long, I got long here and I wanted to risk down to previous day open and I put 2 contracts on and my final target is the previous day close all the way up here. What that means is if I want to scalp one out into VWAP up here, let's say, just to make sure I lock in some profits and move my stop break even, and I can then let this runner go all the way up and trail it if I want, or let it come back down and knock me out break even. Now, let's say I hit this all the way up and I didn't take profit at the top and it came back down. So let's say I was up maybe a couple $1,000 on this move and it comes back down and knocks me out break even. Topstep are not going to punish you for that because they do not use a trailing drawdown of unrealized gains. Everything is done about your closing position overnight, which is fantastic for when you're looking to hold moves and momentum. And that's how I trade Topstep very differently to Apex. With Apex, I am looking to scalp. I've changed the way I trade Apex since the updated rules, all right? So I am now looking at a one hit, one close, or a one hit, one add-in winner, one close, just to lock in gains. So I am trading it differently, but I really, really am enjoying Topstep. Something that I still need to work on, I do not like the indicators, right? The VWAP is completely wrong. I'm having to anchor the VWAP every day at 9:30 because the VWAPs are incorrect. If you look at a VWAP on NinjaTrader or on TradingView or on any other broker and you look at the TopstepX VWAPs, they are incorrect. And not by a little bit, they are significantly wrong on each session. So for now, I'm using anchored VWAPs at the 9:30s. The other thing I'm disappointed on is they still have not added a way for me to update my list of indicators. So I want to use my flow zone suite and currently I cannot add that as a Pine script to this. So I'm using these EMAs down here, which just get in the way of my chart. I hate the multicolors. They just look messy and it aggravates me, all right? So that's another thing which I would love, love, love them to change. But something that they have changed, which is fantastic, is they have now allowed TopstepX on mobile platform. Now, I don't advise that you trade on mobile platform, but what I really like about this, let's again say I was in that long position and I'm looking to hold my runner up to the previous day close. If I now want to go out on a walk or do my chores or whatever it is I've got to do on the day, I can manually look after that position on my phone. So if I want to move my stop and trail it up, I'm able to do that while not being at the desk, which is just dream boat scenario for a trader that wants to hold a position, get on with his day, but make sure he guarantees profit. Because if I had to leave here and I'd taken one off, now I'm so far up in the money, if I'm not moving that stop up to protect, it would be disappointing to see it come all the way back down and take me out break even. So Topstep Mobile is fantastic for that, all right? It really, really is. They are also putting lots more through process right now to make TopstepX even more powerful. The other thing that I really like that they've updated is you can now have 5 accounts. All right, I currently have 2 active accounts open. That's enough for me right now while I'm juggling my 14, 15 Apex accounts, whatever it is I've got over there. That's more than enough for me to pull out money with Topstep every 5 winning days, which is great. And then Apex once or twice a month. It gives me nice cash flow, nice and consistent without having to worry too much. So if you haven't already, now's a great time to check out TopstepX. I still trade with Apex. They are still my preferred prop firm for many, many reasons. But if you are someone who's struggling with the DCA, if you're not able to change your rules to suit the new rules which have come in place, or if you want to take a position and hold it and manage it on your mobile, Topstep now is a really, really fantastic place to look at being your prop firm. Until next time, I'll see you real soon. Use hard stops.